Today we are covering CompTIA A plus 220-1101 Core 1. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question is, you have just installed a new hard disk drive into your computer, but the motherboard does not recognize it within the BIOS UEFI. You have verified the drive is properly connected to the motherboard and the power supply with the correct cables, but it still is not recognized. Which of the following actions would best solve this problem? Option A. Configure a RAID in the BIOS UEFI. Option B. Format the new hard drive as FAT32. Option C. Update the firmware of the motherboard. Option D. Format the new hard drive as NTFS. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, you are troubleshooting a computer and your supervisor believes that the issue is with the workstation's RAM. Which of the following symptoms did your supervisor likely observe? Option A. Incorrect data time on the workstation. Option B. Continuous reboot. Option C. Distended capacitors. Option D. Burning smell. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, which type of wireless network utilizes the 5 GHz frequency band and reaches its speed of up to 9.6 Gbps? Option A. 802.11a. Option B. 802.11b. Option C. 802.11g. Option D. 802.11ax. Option E. 802.11n. Option F. 802.11ac. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, you have just installed a second monitor for a bookkeeper's workstation so they can stretch their spreadsheet across both monitors. This would essentially let them use the two monitors as one combined larger monitor. Which of the following settings should you configure? Option A. Resolution. Option B. Refresh rate. Option C. Extended mode. Option D. Color depth. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, you have been asked to configure your neighbor's SOHO network. Your neighbor wants to build a Minecraft server so that all their friends can play together over the internet. When configuring their firewall, where should you place the server? Option A. MAN. Option B. WAN. Option C. LAN. Option D. Perimeter network. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, this is a simulated PVQ. If you had this question on the real exam, you would be asked to drag and drop a label with the component's name onto the proper location on the port cluster. Using the image above, which of the following correctly indicates the port labeled as C? Option A. SPDIF. Option B. USB. Option C. Firewire. Option D. PS2. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, you have been asked to fix a laptop with a screen image that is being displayed upside down. What is the best method to fix this issue? Option A. Replace the integrated GPU. Option B. Replace the LCD panel. Option C. Change the orientation of the screen. Option D. Update the display drivers. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, Tom, a student, wants to install Windows and Linux to practice configuring these operating systems as part of his CompTIA Plus studies. His current Windows 10 laptop has a multi-core processor and 16 GB of RAM installed. Which of the following should Tom do? Option A. Install virtualization software and install each OS as a virtual machine. Option B. Buy an inexpensive Windows 10 laptop. Option C. Purchase a Chromebook and utilize cloud-based virtual machines. Option D. Purchase a new high-end gaming laptop with Windows 10 pre-installed. Correct answer is option A.